Well, hello again. I hope everybody's doing well and you're staying scrap happy and you're creating some beautiful things. I wanted to show you that I have one of the clutches that I started in my last video completed, so I wanted to show you how that looked. This is the front. It has a Velcro closure, okay, just flap that comes over. It's fully lined. The edges I have just done in what I call a Bohemia overstitch. In fact, this is going to be in my Bohemia collection on my Etsy shop. So you remember I told you that I use these selvage edges because I just love the fringe that was on the edge of it. Doesn't that look pretty? I did add a little bit of decorative yarn that had some little things that just stuck out from it that just seemed to just go with this really well. I love this master cloth that I created that I used for this clutch. It's got so many colors and sparkles and sequins and things inside that it's just really nice. And I like the little cluster that I made that decorates this top. Now on the back, I did add a little circle here on the back just for a little bit more interest, but otherwise it's just simply plain. Okay. Now, I sewed it in such a way that when you open this up, you have you have a little space right in there that you can do a little secret pocket. You could stick a little bit of cash down in there, or a little credit card or something like that, that most people would not look for in that area, but especially if it's flat, they're not going to think about it. But, you know, just for safety. Lots of room in there, though. Now, this can be a clutch for a special occasion. If you carry a big purse, it could be a cosmetic or accessory bag inside a larger purse. But basically, I see these as statement pieces, something special on a special occasion that you want something a little different that stands out, and you're just carrying a few little items, maybe your keys, your credit card, some lipstick, something like that, and go in a cute little clutch bag like this one. Again, this is all made from scraps and upcycled, recycled materials, and we just put it together in a way that pleases you, all right? And this one I really like. I like all the elements. I like all the colors that I used. And isn't that how we like to end up with a project, something that we like? Okay, I'll update you on the other one that I'm making. That's this one here. And I'm working on the front now. In last video, I told you I would be fringing this piece here, and I have that finished now. It's all fringed. I am attaching some pearls along here, and I will have another one that goes up on this side here. Okay. Then I'm going to be doing a couple of these little doodads here with some yarn and just for some interest. And then you remember that I'm going to be using some yo-yos, you know, for embellishment also. So I have yet to put the top around here. That is actually what I'm going to do next. And before I finish sewing on these, I made the mistake of, and I don't know why, because I don't ever do that, but I sewed the bag together before I actually finished the embellishment, which is not the way to do it, let me tell you. Trying to sew these embellishments now is very difficult. And causing me all kinds of headache. But I'm going to stick with it and get it done. But always finish your embellishment on your sides, whatever you're going to do, before you sew them together, because otherwise just trying to hold on to it and work on it is just a nightmare. Okay, so learn from my mistake. Like I said, I don't know why I did that. I just lost it, I guess, that day, because I don't ever do that. I always do my embellishments before I sew my pieces together, but in this case, it didn't happen. So now I'm struggling with it, but I'll get through it, and I'll come back and I'll show you the finished project here. What's going to be on my agenda next? I'm not real positive, but I'm looking at this piece here. I think that's a beautiful piece of fabric, and I think it would make a beautiful, this is the back side, excuse me, that also would make a beautiful piece. I could decide which side I want to use. And make a beautiful statement bag out of that. Wouldn't that be pretty? So I'll be thinking about that. And but I'm pretty sure this is the next piece up. Let's try it this way and see if we like it. That's also a gorgeous bag. Okay. But I think I do like this side. It's just got these beautiful bronzy colors in here with these teals, and I just think that's so pretty. So I might just go with that. Okay. All right, so stay tuned. We're still doing very creative things here, and I hope you enjoy the journey with me. Until next time, let's stay very scrap happy, and let's put some time into using upcycled fabrics, where you thrift your own closet, you thrift the thrift stores, and you use things like that so they don't end up in the landfills. Okay? All right, till next time, take care.